Santa Monica. City Council Member Ana Maria Jara with today's Santa Monica coronavirus update. Thank you for doing your part to help slow the spread of COVID-19 by following the LA County Safer at Home orders. In partnership with LA County, Santa Monica has begun the reopening process for local businesses. We have to continue to stay safe and reopen cautiously, as Santa Monica now has more than 200 COVID-19 cases, and LA County is still seeing an upward trend in cases and deaths. Reopening too quickly could create a surge in cases that could overwhelm hospitals, create shortages of personnel protective equipment, and undo the work we've all done together to flatten the curve. LA County Department of Public Health has issued a 5-stage roadmap to recovery, a phased approach to slowly relax parts of the Safer at Home order, and a gradual reopening processes for business sectors while continuing to focus on our community's health and safety. Stage 1 was the Safer at Home order. We've now entered Stage 2 of this roadmap. Toy stores, music stores, bookstores, some retailers, sporting goods stores, and florist shops can now open for curbside pickup. In addition, car retailer showrooms are permitted to open for sales, and physical distancing and infection control protocols like face covering in place. LA County trails and golf courses have opened as well. Other low-risk businesses, such as manufacturers, offices, and retails, as well as outdoor recreation, libraries, museums, cultural centers, and art galleries will reopen in the future as part of Stage 2. Schools, dine-in restaurants, and malls are not included in Stage 2. And other non-essential businesses must continue to adhere to the county's Safer at Home order. And all other Santa Monica closures, including the beach area, Santa Monica Pier, Beach Bike Path, Oceanfront Walk, and Palisades Park, remain in effect. We expect to share more information with our community about beach openings later this week. The next 3 stages of the county's roadmap to recovery include the potential opening of higher risk institutions and businesses. According to LA County Department of Public Health, Stage 3 will include movie theaters, aquatics, camps, playfields, gyms and organized sports, schools, colleges and universities, deal with people wearing face coverings, physical distancing, and limit the number of people who can gather. Farther out will be Stage 4, which will include high-risk businesses like sporting events and concerts. It's difficult to anticipate when this would happen. Finally, when there are fewer or no new cases and rates of hospitalizations are low, Stage 5 will be full opening of businesses. LA County of Public Health and provide each business sector with reopening protocols which must be followed. Businesses will need to train employees on how to limit the spread of COVID-19, including how to screen themselves and to stay home if they show symptoms. Businesses will need to supply face coverings and personnel protective equipment to staff and require their use. Next, each business will need to ensure appropriate physical distancing by limiting occupancy in accordance with safe reopening protocols and ensuring 6 feet of distance between individuals as much as possible. Businesses will also be required to ensure proper infection control at all times by following strict cleaning and sanitation standards and frequently cleaning high-touch surfaces. They will also need to post clear signage to communicate the protocols to members of the public who visit. Businesses will need to provide equitable access to their services for vulnerable populations, including prioritizing access to critical services and moving as much as the businesses online as feasible. Until we reach stage 5, the final recovery stage, the Safer at Home order will continue to ensure we slow the spread of COVID-19 to prevent an overwhelming surge of cases at healthcare facilities. That means to continue to stay at home except for essential trips, to wear face coverings and maintain 6 feet of physical distance when you do not have to go out, and to continue to wash your hands frequently. These are 4 critical new behaviors that we all have to prioritize, especially as we start relaxing some of the stay-at-home orders. LA County is following the state of California indicators for guidance on when to modify stay-at-home orders. These indicators include the ability to monitor and protect our communities through testing, contact tracing, isolating, and supporting those who are positive or exposed. The ability of the hospitals and health systems to handle surges, and the ability for businesses, schools, and child care facilities to support physical distancing. Santa Monica cares about our community, and we are committed to providing timely information as we learn more from the state and county about the reopening efforts. To find more information about what I have talked about today and to find resources available to you right now, visit the city's coronavirus page at santamonica.gov/slash/slash/coronavirus. Remember, together we will get through this emergency, and together we'll rebuild a healthy and resilient Santa Monica we can all continue to be proud of. Stay safe and stay healthy. And thank you for listening.